welcome back to my channel. My name is Shawnee, or welcome to my channel if you're new. Today I'm going to be doing a video that I haven't done in a really long time, which is a Dollar Tree haul. So first and foremost, you might be watching this video as a part of a vlog, or it might be a standalone Dollar Tree video. I'm not sure exactly yet. I did record some vlog type stuff today, so it might be a vlog, it might just be a haul, but we'll see when we get there. But anyway, like I said, welcome to the channel. Welcome back if you're new. If you've been here for a while, you know that I typically do a lot of Dollar Tree hauls. It's been, you know, pandemic and things, so I haven't really been able to do as many Dollar Tree hauls as I would like. And sometimes I just get things and I just don't film them. But the reason I decided to go to Dollar Tree today is because I am supposed to be getting my Cricut machine very soon. I think it should be here Friday, but we are dealing with a lot of weather issues and stuff right now. So it may not get here on time, which I understand, but I wanted to go ahead and get some of the things for it anyway, because I've been watching a lot of videos and a lot of TikTok hacks on some things that you need to have for your Cricut machine, you know. So that's the thing that I've been really focusing on. Let me turn this other light off first of all. That's not what I need on. But yeah, so that's been my main reason for going. I did get a couple things. I also got some things that I also wanted that I thought were really cool. So without further ado, I'm gonna get into the haul. So first things first, I found, you know that I love all my Dollar Tree, I don't even know what to call them, all my Dollar Tree like Instagrams and stuff like that. So on one of the Instagrams that I follow, there, the lady that I follow on Instagram has the these what are these called? Tablecloths. Sorry y'all, but one of the women that I follow, she took pictures of these metallic plastic table covers. This one is purple and this one is blue, and I love like all things like shiny like this and metallic. So I'm gonna be putting these on my desk because I do have a tablecloth on my desk already, and I don't really like it. It gets dirty easily, and it like easily gets like messes on it, because I eat and drink at my desk all the time. So I decided to pick these up. Glad I found them. They also have green, but I'm not really a fan of the green. I think it's ugly, so I just got those two. And then these are random. I usually divide my bag so that everything makes sense, but it doesn't this time. But I saw these Mardi Gras masks when I was about to leave. So this one is black and it has like rainbow roses, and this one is blue. And I'm obviously not gonna wear these. I'm just gonna use these as decor, but I thought they were so pretty. Hopefully all this stuff doesn't fall over. And then next, I just got an extra lighter. The last one that I got from Dollar Tree, it does not work. It's so weird. Like, it's full of fluid, but it just does not work. So the next things I got was, I got these Airwick stick-ups. I haven't really seen these in a long time. My mom used to get these when I was a kid all the time. But this is, I think it's like Crisp Breeze. These are good for your trash can, your bathroom, wherever. So I just decided to pick those up. And then I got some disinfectant spray because we love disinfecting things, but also I wanted to get some because I am going to be opening my my sticker shop on Etsy really soon, and I don't want to be mailing out packages with contaminations. Like, obviously I don't have COVID or anything, but I don't want to send germs, so I decided to pick that up. And then I found this Wizard Hawaiian Mist room spray, which smells so good, and I never saw it in this clear bottle like this, but I always like things like this, so I picked that up. So this is the big daddy bag that has a lot of stuff in it. So one of the first things that I got from my Cricut machine was this Crafter Square Glue and Residue Eraser. A lot of people on TikTok say that this is good for cleaning off your cutting mats with your Cricut and things like that. So I decided to pick this up. I should have picked up two just in case, but I didn't. And then the next cool thing that I never saw at Dollar Tree was an AirPod case, and it's a unicorn, which I love unicorns. And you know, if you saw my last video, I just recently got AirPods. So I think these are just for the standard ones. I don't think these are for the sports ones, but they also have, they're not called sport, they're called the pros, but they also have like one with a, with like a cat that may be for the pros, but I'm not sure. I didn't look at it. I only wanted this because that's all I need it for. And then the next things that I got also in that theme, I saw these on Instagram a lot, but these are key covers. I got unicorns and rainbows, and I saw these on AliExpress for obviously cheaper, but I didn't want to wait for shipping, so I said why not. So I'm probably gonna give one of these to my mom and one to my grandma because I don't need both, but I thought that was cute. So next thing that I got was a Polaroid tempered glass screen protector. And I just got this because it's the Polaroid brand. I usually use like the regular like Dollar Tree kind that they have. I don't know what this brand even is, but these, the Smart Shatter, I usually get these that are Dollar Tree brand, but I decided to try these because they had these. They also had those for the XRs and stuff like that too. So the next thing I got was some razors, the kind that I like, that they usually have at Walmart. They haven't had in a long time, so I decided to pick those up. And then I got like a blemish extractor. I don't really know what I'm gonna use this for. Like, I know that a lot of people use them for like the skin around their noses and stuff, but you can also use these for cutting clay and stuff like that. So I don't really know what I'm gonna use it for, but we'll see. And then next, I got this little gold and black box. I've had some of these before. I wish I knew this had blemishes in it, but the reason I got this one is to put my business cards in, because I am going to be printing out my business cards for my Etsy shop soon. So I wanted to have them in something cute. They also have like an animal print, which you guys will see in the vlog, and I was torn, but this gold is really, really cute, and these are cute to sit on your desk. And I have like my other ones that I've probably showed you guys before that I have like my jewelry in like behind me. So that was really cute. And then the next thing I got was some of these battery operated fairy lights. I don't know if I'm gonna put these on my desk or hang them like to the left of me. I really miss having lights on in my room. I used to have my Christmas lights, but they died. And I don't want to buy more string lights to plug in. I want to get some more battery operated ones, so I just got those for now. I'm probably just gonna put them on my desk, but they're pretty cute. And I also got batteries for those too, of course. And then the next thing I got was some makeup-y things. So I got this Maybelline Lasting Drama matte automatic eye pencil. It is red. It's like a red, like a burgundy, and it's called Rusty Terracotta. And I had never seen this before, but I like different colored liners, so I said why not. And then I got an e.l.f. eyebrow pencil, which I always look for these at Walmart, but they never have the color of my brows. And then they had coffee, so I decided to pick that up. And then I dropped it on the floor because I'm awesome. And then next, some more shop things. I got the Scotch transparent tape in a 2-pack because I needed some more Scotch tape, and also for packaging things. And then I got some masking tape because a lot of people say masking tape is good for your cut lines on your Cricut if you have like shiny paper or shiny vinyl. And then next I got these, you know, I love these little like pom-pom things. So I saw this one at the checkout, and it has rainbow leopard print, which is one of my favorite things. And then this one is a blue one with like the glitter arrows to the hearts, which I think is so cute, and I love hanging these on my purse. And then lastly, I got some more shop type things. I got some washi. So this one is little clouds with glasses. I don't know if you guys can see that, but the clouds have little glasses on and some numbers. And then I got this one that is mint and white with like some leaves, and I think that's so cute. And then finally, I just got this flower one, which I think is really pretty. So yeah, guys, that is it for my Dollar Tree haul. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If there's anything you guys would like to see in the future, let me know in a comment down below. Have you guys been able to find anything, these things at your Dollar Tree? Let me know. What's your favorite thing that you saw that you want to find at your Dollar Tree? Let me know in the comments down below. I will see you guys in my next video, which I'm not sure. Like I said, I don't know how these videos are gonna go, so you may see another video before this, you might see another video after this, but upcoming videos I will be uploading my vlog, and I will be doing an unboxing of my Cricut machine when it gets here, and you know, hopefully giving you guys some more sticker creation things. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like I said, check out my info links down below. I'll be linking my Etsy shop, my shop Instagram, and all those things. Thank you guys for watching. I love you guys, and I hope you have a great day. Bye.